Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today we will learn server variables. So server variables is the most important part in PHP of or any language. So today we will learn server variables. So basically using for servers variables get get and second one is post, right? Second one is post, third one is cookie and okay. And the second fourth one is session, right? And last one is headers, server headers. So we will start from get. Basically this is like uh, five things in server headers. So right, first one is sorry, first one is get. So get basically we are using for URL. Suppose here is we are passing from here, suppose double D is equal to 123. So this value we are using, this is get variable, right? Suppose here like we can get data is equal to get, we can define from here, right? Double D, we can use get data, right? So we can run the server files, right? If this and php server, right? Double D is equal to test. This is test. This is double D. This is variable. Get variables, right? We can here like putting something. So here, and we can putting from numbers from here. So also we can get, right? And second thing, we have one more get variable. So how can use? Suppose okay, second variables double A, right? We can use get double A, right? Here is variable name get. And get variables we can use another variable and operator. We can use double A is equal to task. Okay. We can here use break line so easily understand the same thing, right? This is the first variable, this is second variable, and you can use same value test 123 or test 224 easily. So this is get variable, so you can easily get any data from URL, right? Sometimes we are using for redirecting page to another web page or maybe third party URL, so you can easily get information from URL, right? And second one is post. Post basically guys, we are using from one page to another page, right? Suppose we can create the one file name is html, right? This is file html. Here is one form and we have two text, one is name and email, right? Run this file. Wait, data, name the file, this file, right? This is basically name and email, right? So we need from here print r, right? Dollar underscore post. So from here we can easily print data from here, right? So we can printing here aftab email id aftab kchen20@gmail.com, right? We can post from here, so you can easily get data. Okay, we can modify here, beautify from here, eco free, right? We can post again. So this is the first name is name, value name, and email is aftabkchen20@gmail.com. Basically, this is name, the name of the name from here, field name. The same is email, so he email here. And how can get the data specific? So it's very easy. We can get variable name is name equal to dollar underscore post, right? And you can define from here name, right? And second one is email, right? Dollar underscore post. You can define from here email, right? We can comment this. Okay, and this one also, yeah, you can use the echo, and this is also echo, and we can use break line, right? Again putting from here 1 2 3 after 1 2 3, and we can use 1 2 3 something, right? And you can easily get values. So this is way to get and post, and we have another three more cookie and session we will cover in next video. Thank you for watching. If you have any query about get and post, please comment me. I definitely revert. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.